Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's just quickly delve into the tutorial of the day. So today I'll be showing you guys how to put your long box braid into a bun. I know a lot of people are finding it difficult, so I'm here to sort you guys out. I have three styles in mind to show you guys, two styles in mind to show you guys, but I added one as a bonus. So the first one is to section a little part of your front hair and braids, and then pull your head backward. That's the only way you can actually pack your braids on a very high ponytail. If you want it high, you have to bend your head downward and then pack it that way. With that, you'll be able to get a very good high ponytail. If you high bun or high ponytail, I'll call it. Some call it bun, some call it ponytail, anyone. So what we are doing right now, we're sectioning the braids in two. So though the bun that I packed, I'm sectioning it in two. I'm going to explain to you guys what I will do with the other one, but for now, you're going to twist one part of that braids that you already packed and twist it round just like you're making the bun. Yeah, so you twist it round. As you walk your way downward, you're going to be taking a little extension from those ones that is left there. The extension that is left on the side, you're going to be adding a little bit to it, and then you keep twisting and walking your way downward. So when you are making this kind of bun, you don't walk from bottom to top. You start from top, you start twisting it from the very top to the bottom, which will give you that ninth layer. And also it makes whereby the top part is bigger than the bottom, so you understand the style. The bottom is always tinier, so it reduces. By the time you walk your way downward, the attachment would have reduced in size, so it can be a little bit tinier at the bottom, if that makes sense. And the reason why you're adding those extensions session by session is because if you packed all the attachments, all the braided attachments all the same time and walk your way round it, by the time you do one wrap, you would have run out of attachment. The attachment will be too short to walk your way downward, and it will also be a little bit difficult for you to secure the end. So that's the reason why you walk in session. With this, your bun will be so secured. So the one that is left now, I'm just going to use it to secure the down part of it, just to make sure that the bun doesn't like unravel. Yes, so if you do your bun that way, it's not going to unravel. You can carry it for weeks and it will not fall down. So we're going to work on the front section now. So what we do, it depends on how long you want the braid to be on your face. But me, I don't really like it too long. I don't really like it too long because I don't like anything that will like obstruct my view. So I like it just to be moderate. So if you want it longer, you can make it a little bit falling on your face, but if not, you can do it the way I'm doing it right now. So just make sure you flatten it around the braids and then walk your way upward, and then you start rolling it at the bottom, at the very bottom of the bun. So that is how you make this style. You would have been seeing it on all social media, but this is the easiest way you can actually make this bun with a very long box braid. Yeah, and it came out really beautiful. This style is for if you have an occasion or if you just want to be extra. That's when you actually pack your hair this style, and it's really beautiful. I did some when I went for a wedding or so. It came out really beautiful, and a lot of people were asking me, how did you style your hair, how did you do it? So this is the style. That's the reason why I decided to add it on this bun tutorial. Hope you guys like it. Please, if you do like it, don't hesitate to drop a comment in the comment section below. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please support me by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. But this style came out really beautiful. Yeah. So the next thing you can do, instead of wrapping it that way, you can just fold the braid straightly to your face on the side. Depends on what parts fits your face. It can be folding it to the right, you can be folding it to the left. Depends on the style that you prefer, your preference anyways. Yes, and the next bun is the most popular bun that you see everybody do on social media. So what you do, once the hair is on the eye bun, you just wrap this way. Make sure you put a hole in the middle. With this, it really lays very, very well, most especially when your braid is very, very long. When your braid is long and full, this pattern will really help you to secure a very nice bun. You could see that there is like a hole in the middle of that bun, so that is what happened. So when you open the braid from the beginning, then you start wrapping from one side and wrap through, walk your way around, so it makes it easy. You can see how nicely it is wrapped. This is the particular style I actually rocked on my 40th birthday, and it came out beautiful. A lot of people love it. If you've not seen the tutorial on how I make this braid by myself, a DIY, please click, I'll be linking it so you can watch it. Just check it out and see if you can make your braid yourself. But it's very easy, it's not difficult at all. So what I like to do when I have this kind of bun on, I like to just drop like 2 braids at the front of my face. It just take it to another level. Like it makes it look kind of stylish, cheeky, and yeah, it makes it look very, very beautiful. So I just like to drop 2 braids at the front, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So I just drop it and make sure that the lengths of the braid are in the same length. The both braid at the front, just make sure is in the same length, and secure the ends of the bun. And look at that, that is beautiful. Yes, it's very, very beautiful. This was what I rocked on my birthday, and a lot of people love it. Seriously, it's very, very beautiful. Look at how nicely laid it is. So if you have a long braid, you can actually put your hair on a bun this way. Yeah. And if you're tired of these droppings at the front, what you can do is to wrap that 2 droppings in the braids, and it came out really, really beautiful. So guys, if you've watched to this extent, it means you love this video, and if you do, please don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up, drop a comment in the comment section below, let me know what you like about this video, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.